you guys know I always love the Vanity Planet cleansing system. This is my old one right here. This is my old one right here. The brushes are somewhere in my drawer, but this is garbage because I am replacing it with a new one. I always replace mine because it's just really healthy for your skin, and it's just a must-have. Like, you must do that, you know. So this is a new box that I got, and I'm so excited to be opening this because this stuff really keeps my skin clear. Like, you guys don't understand. If I've never would have known that this changes my skin. And that's the thing, I haven't used my old one in a while because I've been waiting for this one to arrive. So I think that's why my skin is freaking out. You know, it's like not used to this. It's almost like,
hello girl, what's going on?
I'm excited to have a new one. So this is what the cleansing system looks like. You have a cleansing brush, which is the gray brush. You have an exfoliating brush, which is going to be the brush with the black bristles inside of it. So this one is a little bit harsher than the first one with the gray bristles. So it is exfoliating, and that's actually what I need to do today. And then we have a silicone brush. This one is good for like if you just need like a gentle cleanse. Sometimes I want to cleanse, but I don't want to use these two brushes because they might be too harsh for my skin at the moment. And I really like to use this. This is like so soft. And this last one is for your body. Before, you guys know I've been using Vanity Planet for a while now. They did not include the body brush, but I'm really excited to use this. So, okay, so I'm gonna use the Tatcha cleansing oil. I'm gonna pat my face with some water, but my face is literally so dry. Like, it's not funny. And I'm taking the Tatcha cleansing oil and I'm just gonna rub it in. Because guys, my face, this dryness, I can't. So I'm gonna be doing a voiceover just because I love to like have peace and quiet at this time. So I'll do a voiceover explaining all of the steps that I'm gonna be doing. So as I said before, the Radiant Facial Brush comes with 3 different attachment heads: the Daily Cleansing Brush, the Exfoliating Brush, and the Silicone Brush. Here I'm using the exfoliating brush, but a lot of people have questions about the silicone brush, and it's one of my favorite brushes. It resists bacteria buildup, and it's super quick drying, and it's just so good for sensitive skin. It helps deep clean your pores to remove the excess oils that might be clogging up your pores, and you probably don't even know. Once you get this brush, you will see a dramatic change in your skin, I promise you. And this just helps prevent future breakouts, which we all want. None of us want breakouts. And the one part that I really love is that it increases skin hydration. So here I'm using paper towel to pat my face dry. I do not use any rags because rags or any towels hold bacteria, and that causes breakouts as well. Once you start using paper towels, you're gonna see a dramatic difference. Trust me on this. So now I'm using the Fresh Youth Rescue Mask. I'm going to be linking everything down below. This is one of my new favorite masks. And I'm going to let this sit on my skin for about 30 minutes. I took a bubble bath in between letting it sit on my skin. And once I washed it off, it was time to use the Vanity Planet steamer. So I use facial steamers a lot for my skincare routines, but this is my first time using this facial steamer from Vanity Planet, and I have to say that I am in love with this steamer. It's so small, so compact, and truly does the job. And it was actually really easy to put together. All you have to do is fill this little tank with water and just snap it on in the back and plug it in, and it is literally go time. I was sitting here reading the directions. I just wanted to look through the book, and it was like actually ready. I was like, wow, that was quick. What these facial steamers usually do for me is they restore hydration and they help detoxify my skin. They open up my pores. I'm able to really cleanse and get in there and get all that gunk and dirt out, and it also helps me remove dead skin cells. Now, you guys know I'm always going to hook you up. I have a discount code where you can get the facial steamer and the facial brush for over 50% off. The code is ASTEAMY. So when you're on the website, check down below for the link. Make sure you type in my code ASTEAMY. Guys, that steam was much needed. My skin feels much softer than it did, so I'm super excited about that. I'm about to apply the Fresh Youth Preserve Moisturizer, and then, or actually I'm about to apply this first. Nivea, okay? I don't play with my Niveas, okay? This cream will literally help me recover in a day. Sometimes I have to just leave it on like that. I might just do that. I'm gonna actually put some on and then put some on some patches. So, cause that literally is, it's like a mask in itself. And then I'm gonna put this back on the spots that are like my troubled area. So I have dry skin and I have like small cases of eczema sometimes. So sometimes I come out of nowhere and I break out. So Nivea really like does it for me. What's up, you guys? So today I'm doing my hair. Look at this big old hair. So I just took my braids out from my sewing. Oh my god, I needed to take those braids out so bad, you guys. Like, it looked like so big, okay? But I just gotta like get this makeup and stuff off. But I scratched some of my scalp and kind of combed it through a little bit. So I gotta get in the shower and wash my hair. I do not want to do that. I'm tired. I am so tired. Y'all don't understand. Before that, I'm gonna eat though. I just finished washing my hair. Y'all, look at this tan. Oh my god, it looks crazy. It's making my hairline look wild, honestly. But I just finished washing it. I just got it in this thing because I think I'm gonna go to, what's that store? Walgreens, and get one of those blow dry brushes. I thought I had one actually. Like, I swear to God, I thought I had one. Like, you guys, I swear I thought I bought one. Like, it's so weird. Alright, I gotta walk to the store, so I'm about to, oh my god. Wow, look at my curl pattern though. It's given. Like, wow, my hair looks amazing. I might start wearing my hair natural. You know what it is? I just gotta cut these little like straight ends, you know? That's all I gotta do. I don't do anything special to my hair either. Like, I don't put anything special in it. I just let it grow. Like, to get my hair as long as it is, I just, oh my god, y'all, that is crazy. Honestly, it really is really long. I'm not gonna lie. Like, my hair is actually really, really long. I feel like I want to just wear it out. I think I'm gonna do a look one day with just my natural hair and just like, I'm gonna try to do this, and but I don't want it to shrink, you know? I know when I walk to the store it's gonna shrink, so it's like, I don't know what to do right now. So I don't do anything special to it. I just let it grow on like whatever is on there, like the dirt and stuff, and I leave it in braids for like 2 to 3 months at a time. And then when I wash it with this. This is the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. And I've used this probably about like, I haven't even been using this for a year, but ever since I've been using it, my hair's been really, really soft. And it's been easy to manage. Usually I would have used the, is it Shea Moisture? Or, I think the one that the conditioner I was using was Garnier though. I think it was Garnier. It was Garnier and it smelled like apples, and it was like in a jar like this, and that used to get my hair super soft to where like I couldn't even feel me or my mom used to do my hair, my mom brushing it. And I say that because I'm super tender-headed. So this, I think it was Garnier, so this will make sense that the Garnier works for my hair. And I think I have like what is it, 4A or 4B hair type. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. But I see a lot of people telling me, no, I don't. Should I just walk to the store like this? I know it's gonna shrink and it's gonna be like this and I'm gonna be outside. Yo, I can't. It's already shrinking ever since I took the towel off. Like, this part is drying and look at it. So you guys, I'm about to do my natural hair. I'm about to do a twist out for the first time ever. I don't know what I'm about to do. I'm gonna try, okay? I don't know how to do this, but I'm gonna try, so let's do it.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So guys, I just finished doing my twist out for tomorrow. So tomorrow my hair should look cute, but I'm about to get in the bath and I'm gonna do some facial stuff because you guys, like, look at my skin. It is so dry. Oh my god, like, oh my god. I think it was because I was drinking soda not too long ago, and I also think it was because I ate a lot of candy the other day. Me and Menelik went to the store and got some snacks, and we should not have done that. And I think also I just haven't really taken care of my skin the way that I should have. So it's time. Okay, so I'm gonna just put my hair up in my thing. I really don't want to because I don't want it to get bent, but I gotta put on this, you know, shower cap because I don't want my hair to get messed up. So I'm gonna do my skincare routine. So you guys, I am at the doctor. Not really a doctor, she's a cosmetic doctor, but I am getting my lippies. So if you guys didn't know, I have got my lips done before, but let's just I'm gonna give you more details. It's not really my lips that I got done, it really is just this part. I never got my bottom lip done. I never got this side done ever. So I'm gonna insert pictures from how I looked before I started getting my cupid's bow done. I literally didn't have a top lip, and it was so bad that I would put on lipstick and it would end up right here. Like, I literally didn't have any like border, no definition, no nothing. So really what I'm getting is just contouring to my lips so that they have like a place, you know? It's almost like makeup. When we contour our cheeks, it gives it some structure. If not, our face is gonna look flat. So that's what I'm doing with the cosmetic procedure. 2 to 3 years. The last time I got it done was when I first moved to LA, and I only got it done like once, I think. So, hi.
Oh, we are vlogging.
Yes, we're vlogging. How are you?
I'm good, honey. How are you?
This is Anush, you guys.
Hello.
So we're here. We're gonna talk about my cupid's bow and my lips.
Yeah.
You guys, I am not getting numb today.
I'll give you a shower.
I'm not getting numbed.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
I'm scared. Okay, I can do this. I broke my finger.
Come all the way up
can
until
do
your
this.
head is in that hole. All the way.
Okay. Why do I feel like I'm about to go under anesthesia?
Okay, you can get it out like this too. Are you ready?
No.
Ready to rumble. Okay, chin up.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the mirror right now.
Oof. I can feel it. Okay.
So now we're
That's
gonna
cute.
go ahead and fill in the lip, okay? Where those tiny little balls are that you have from the previous injection. Instead of dissolving them, because you say they don't bother you as much, right? We're going to open up just a little bit. I'm gonna camouflage it by injecting just a little bit around it, okay?
Okay. So you guys, this is what my lips looks like. My lips looks like, what did I say? This is what I love this definition right there. So it is swollen and it hurts. But I know it's gonna go down, of course. But I love the line. Like, I literally don't have a line. Y'all remember I showed y'all my old lip, but I literally didn't have a lip. And I never got anything done to like my cheeks or anything like that. A lot of people think I do because I have high cheekbones, but this is literally my cheeks. Like, if y'all see my grandmother's cheeks right now, she's like if y'all seen the way I look, just like her. So I literally am my grandmother. Like, on my mom's side, I am literally my grandmother. Like, everything about her, the way she sleeps, the way she eats, the way she talks, everything, I am her. And she has these really high cheekbones. I remember going in her house and I seen a picture of her and I thought it was me. And I was like, I never took that picture. And I was literally like, oh my God, that is not me. That's my grandmother. I have to find that picture again. Oh my God, I have to find that picture. I took a picture of it because I was so shocked. So you guys, it's day 2 after my lip injections. This is how they look. They're so bruised. But the shape of them looks really nice, okay? Like that Cupid's bow right there. Given, honey.